First on the news hour tonight, left versus right, Piyush Goyal of the BJP and Atul Kumar Anjan of the CPIM. Then in the next 10 minutes, we are opening up and getting a Congress representative. We'll also be joined, in fact, let me introduce them. Abid Rasool Khan will be joining us from the Congress party in some time. And Hartosh Singhbal, political editor of Open magazine, will be joining this panel, as will Ashok Malik, senior journalist. But before I come to Ashok Malik, Hartosh Singhbal and Abid Rasool Khan of the Congress party, right versus left, that's the choice made Piyush Goyal. Narendra Modi has realized that the left will never be able to support him in Delhi when he becomes Prime Minister, so he takes a chance by supporting Mamata Banerjee. What is this? Part of the campaign or political opportunism, Piyush Goyal? Mr. Goyal, can you hear me? I don't seem to have the line with Piyush Goyal yet. Let me get Atul Kumar Anjan in on this. Atul Kumar Anjan, what did you make of the criticism?
कुछ तो चल रहा है, मुझे नहीं सुनाई दे रहा.
Atul Kumar Anjan, what did you make of Modi's criticism today of 32 years of left rule?
One should not expect much praise from the Modi, but one should understand Modi's rule is only 10 years, and he is talking about a party for a combination of left which has ruled more than 32 years in West Bengal, and it has delivered many things like land reforms and many other things, and peace and tranquility, and a very different type of, activities which has brought social emancipation. But one thing, Mr. Modi, will you cross the, even leave aside 32, will you cross the 20 years mark? And you are very much fed up, and you are working for your Delhi thing. This whole exercise of Modi, Arnab ji, you just think over that he goes to the Delhi University school, there he makes attack, then
no, so what are you saying? No.
Party people.
No, 1 minute.
No,
Mr. Atul Kumar Anjan, Piyush Goyal, you can hear me now. No, 1 minute. 1 minute. You see, I first want to establish this. In fact, it's not BJP versus left. This is right versus left. This is the right of Indian politics versus the left of Indian politics.
You are correct, Mr.
Right?
I just want to draw your attention. What are the points? What he says? If he comes, he says the public sector undertakings had nothing to do. They have not delivered. So this has to be dismantled. And I remember when the banks were nationalized in 1969, the Balraj Madhok and Atal Bihari Vajpayee went to the Supreme Court asking that bank nationalization should be stopped. All that. The whole idea of the Mr. Modi is a right reactionary economic policy. It's against.
No, why did he not criticize Mamata Banerjee? No, why did he not criticize Mamata Banerjee? In your view, Piyush, 1 minute. Is there a cozying up? No, 1 second. Atul Kumar Anjan, this is what he says. He says, I believe steps are being taken in the right direction in Bengal, but it will take many years. In other words, Mamata Banerjee has got a certificate from Narendra Modi. Why?
Why she left Modi is supporting Mamata? He is trying to rope her in his outfit. He wants to tell BJP people, make me leader immediately. I will be able to rope many new parties in NDA. So this is the way he is moving around the country.
No, do you think there's an understanding between Mamata and Modi? No, do you think there is a natural affinity between Mamata and Modi? Mr. Anjan, is there a natural affinity between Mamata and Modi? Modi can't tie up with you when he becomes Prime Minister.
This is the marriage of convenience.
Okay.
Marriage of convenience.
Marriage of convenience. Piyush Goyal, before you respond, let me point out to you. No, 1 second. Marriage of convenience, what the left says. This is political opportunism, your rivals will say, Piyush Goyal, because the BJP, your party, was at the forefront of criticizing Mamata Banerjee in 2011 for frequently changing allies and not speaking out against corruption. BJP took her on for lawlessness in the state. BJP did not hesitate to question her flawed policies. Now, is Narendra Modi has his own line, or is there any consistency in the BJP line towards Mamata, or has something happened now of late between the both of you?
Well, I think the rest of the parties are extremely discomforted with the huge response that Mr. Modi is getting all over the country, and now finally you've seen it even in the so-called left bastion of many years in Kolkata and in West Bengal. it's very, very unfortunate that they are seeing ghosts. The reality
seeing
is
ghosts?
that Modi today
Who's seeing ghosts?
is in the DNA all across
No.
the nation.
Answer my question, Mr. Piyush Goyal. Why are you avoiding my question?
The West Bengal people are also looking at years and years of actually
इनसे कहिए कि आवाज नहीं आ
killing fields. We had the left government there massacring people. We had them depriving people of development. The cadres of the left ran the government and they ran the state down to the ground. We have a new
Mr. Goyal,
government
can you hear
there.
me?
I think Mr.
No,
Modi
Mr.
was only indulging
Mr. Piyush Goyal, can
in
you hear
some
me?
hope
Mr.
that
Piyush-
this new government will do better than the left.
Mr.
But
Goyal,
the overall
can you hear-
narrative was
Mr. Goyal,
completely and clearly addressed to the workers
Mr. Goyal, can you hear me,
to be
sir?
prepared for the battle and to bring the BJP into power.
Mr. Goyal, can you hear me? This is Arnab here. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, now I can. There's a lot of echo on this system of yours.
Now, let me ask you simply. You see, I'll move on from this. But you have refused to answer my question, and I wonder why. LK Advani, Chandan Mitra.
What?
LK Advani, Chandan Mitra. Let me tell you, Chandan Mitra says both CPM and Trinamool are in the politics of competitive violence. 2011. 2011, LK Advani says, how can you trust such a party which keeps on changing allies? April 2013, your West Bengal state president Rahul Sinha criticizes the Trinamool Congress. Why didn't Modi go to Kolkata and praise Mamata Banerjee? Just explain that to me. Or is this a right versus left divide
Well, he has
which
not-
Modi
he
is
has
trying
not
to create
praised-
in Indian politics? Right versus left. Right of
I'm
center
sorry,
versus left
Arnab,
of
you
center.
probably missed the narrative somewhere. I do not think he praised Mamata at all.
Really?
He was very categorically exhorting the BJP workers to be prepared for the battle ahead and for the BJP to get a mandate throughout all the corrupt governments and non-functional governments and bring the BJP into power to solve the problems of this country.
No, you have completely misread Narendra Modi's speech, Mr. Piyush Goyal. He has blamed the left. He has refused to criticize Mamata Banerjee, and he has said the steps are being taken in the right direction in Bengal, but it will take many years. So you have refused to read Narendra Modi's speech in a clear and straightforward manner.
No,
Wonder why.
Narendra Modi
I
has
wonder why.
obviously
Am I wrong,
criticized
Atul Anjan?
32 years of Congress of a left misrule
No, you have...
and the Congress misrule of 65 years in the nation.
Well, this is exactly, that's the point. This is a right
And of
versus
course,
left divide.
we have been critical of Mamata also.
No, this is a right versus left divide which has opened up in Indian politics. Let me introduce the other panelists
There
on
is
the
no
news
right.
debate this evening.
The BJP does not claim any right or left. The BJP believes in development.
Mr.
The
Piyush
BJP
Goyal.
believes that development will change the lives of the
What views
poor.
You are going on wasting the time of the audience. You go tell what really. Well,
only
Narendra Modi
Anjan,
has
Mr.
said it.
Anjan
He
has
very
the right to-
categorically said it. He wants to win over Mamata in his fold. He wants to tell that the left has to be, sidelined. At the same time, one should understand that they going ahead with this program because I understand Narendra Modi. I understand because left has not allowed BJP or Jansangh since last 30 years to enter the Assembly of West Bengal. I understand the grudge of the RSS and BJP both. They are very much categorically trying to see that the left has to be dismantled in the West Bengal because we have never allowed them to enter into the parliamentary structure and assembly structure.
Well, fact of life is the left is dismantled from the whole nation today.
He wants to no. He wants to enter assembly in collaboration with Mamata Banerjee. He is looking her as a potential ally for coming 2014.
So left is completely disrupted and very, very worried, it seems.
No, so we've gone bang on, Mr.
No, I'm
Piyush
not
Goyal.
worried.
No,
No,
Mr.
I'm
Goyal.
not worried, my dear. We
Mr.
got
Goyal.
42% votes. The left got 42% vote in the past assembly election. From BJP to Congress to Trinamool to
see-
Maoist, all right and extreme rabid Muslim fundamentalists and Hindu fundamentalists joined together and got 48% votes as compared to the 42% of the left. That is the scenario. One should understand.
You see,
why
before
why we are making
Mr.
the
Mr.
facts
Atul Kumar
negative,
Anjan,
twisting the
Mr.
facts.
Atul Kumar
Let us
Anjan,
twist the
I
facts.
don't know. You see, Mamata Banerjee will be risking it because there is, the Muslim population is 25.2% of West Bengal's population.
Yes.
So if
Yes.
Mamata Banerjee gets into a deal with Narendra Modi, it might not suit her politically, but you never know. She has worked with the BJP in the past. I'm opening up the debate.
Yes.
Ashok Malik, Hartosh Singh Bal and Abid Rasul
Muslim
Khan. My
fundamentalists
question
are
to you
very
is this.
powerful, and the progressive Muslims must understand that how she is trying to play. She has been the part of NDA. She had been the part of the communal rabbit NDA, and even then the Muslims have voted, and now they have to reassess whether if she goes with the BJP, with the NDA, what will be the fate
That
of
is precisely,
in a
Mr. Atul
future
Anjan,
state.
you're repeating what I'm saying.
Arnab, the problem with the left is they are dividing society. They cannot see society as a whole. They cannot see India as one nation. They cannot see that all people progress under Mr. Modi in his state of Gujarat. And he offers an
My dear,
inclusive
Mr.
agenda
Modi is known
which will
as
resolve
the
the problems
divider
of the
of the
nation
society.
and all
His hands
sections
are
of
full of
society,
the blood of
not
the
one
minorities.
religion or the
He
other.
has strangulated the constitution. He is responsible for inhuman acts. And I am not saying, you just want to remind you, my dear, in 2002, then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, when a lot of criticism world over about the Gujarat riots were there, the Prime Minister was forced before going to the United Nations and said, Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, गुजरात के दंगों ने मेरी मुंह पर कालिक पोत दिया है, मैं दुनिया में कैसे मुंह दिखाऊंगा? मोदी की तरफ इशारा करते हुए कहा, आपने राष्ट्र धर्म
I
नहीं
don't
दिखाया.
think
Don't
I don't think you
understand all
remember
that?
it right. I don't think
No, I
Mr.
correctly
Vajpayee said
remember
that,
it.
point
It was
one.
quoted in
And
the
point
part of
two,
the government
about any riot,
documents.
nobody can be
It was
pleased
shown
about
by
any
all
riot.
television.
Neither is
You
Mr.
fail to
Modi
understand,
pleased about
my
what
dear.
happened.
I think
Neither I believe the Congress will be pleased
are
about what
Goyal
happened
leaving and
in
you want to take
1984.
Mr. Piyush Goyal.
And I hope
You
the left
cannot
is not
nullify
pleased about what
the
you
acts
did to the
and
state of
omission
West
commissions
Bengal
of the
for the last
Narendra
30
Modi
years that you
government
ruled
and
there.
Narendra Modi
And there was
Between
mayhem
the right and the left,
people would die.
one second, gentlemen. Between the right and the left is a central fact. And that fact, Hartosh, is the BJP cannot contain Narendra Modi anymore. He is on a roll. He's got the Narendra Modi juggernaut now going on. The BJP, Rajnath Singh, all the BJP leaders cannot contain him anymore. Has he become a force unto himself? And will it become increasing?
Who wants that? Except you and the opposition, the media and the opposition.
Really?
Nobody wants to
declare him?
control a progressive, development-oriented chief minister.
Why don't you declare him your prime ministerial candidate, Mr. Piyush Goyal? You are the national treasurer of the BJP.
Why don't you ask the same question of the Congress? Let them declare their prime ministerial candidate, and I'm sure my leaders will be happy to declare ours.
No, I could put the question to Hartosh. I'm coming to
Suppose
Abid
the
Rasul Khan.
Please
Congress
ask the
is-
Congress.
Hartosh,
Why are you not able to
No, the Congress-
reach out to the
Hartosh,
Congress?
Hartosh,
should
today,
also-
Why can't you even get a
Arnab.
congressman to come to your panel discussion?
Congress
we have a
is
congressman on our panel
Then
discussion.
we have
Hartosh,
to
please. Yes,
do
Hartosh.
meetings.
Hartosh,
Congress
the
is
Modi
not
juggernaut,
continuously
tough to
speaking.
contain.
Yeah, no. Arnab, if I may speak now. Yeah, clearly Modi is a force
can't
unto
hear.
himself. And if you have to understand today's development, you have to understand it in this context. There is no real possibility of Mamata and Modi going together for the elections. But till the elections, it suits both to send such mixed messages. Mamata is playing her game vis-a-vis the Congress, trying to portray to them that their worst nightmare of a Mamata shifting towards the BJP is a possibility. It's a negotiating strategy. Modi, on the other hand, is indeed a force unto himself. He is indicating to his party that he is larger than the party. The party may have any view it wants about the allies, but Modi will speak his own language. He is also trying to present this vision of himself as somebody who can reach beyond the party and talk to allies, which is one of the most important criticisms directed at them. So today's whole exchange is a tactical nod between Mamata and Modi, which does not have long-term significance, but it's a game that will go on till the elections.
No, but so Modi's become a... Piyush Goyal, can you hear me once again? The question put to the Congress party...
At all. I couldn't hear anything what this gentleman said.
One second. The point which Hartosh Singh Bal said is
repeat.
Piyush Goyal, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, Piyush Goyal?
Yeah.
It's a very simple point he has made. I'm
I
sure
can
you'll
hear
agree
you,
with me.
Arnab, but I can't hear the other panelists.
Well, let me say what the other panelist is saying. Right now, I'm speaking. The other
Yeah.
panelist, Hartosh Singh Bal, has just said that today Modi has become a force unto himself. He is a juggernaut on his own. He has got a Narendra Modi campaign and he does not quite need a ratification of the BJP Central Leadership or Parliamentary Board to decide where to speak, what to speak on, and how to push himself. He's marketing himself in the best available ways possible. I am sure you will completely agree with me on that the Narendra Modi juggernaut has become the talk of
Absolutely
town
wrong.
this week.
Arnab,
Yeah.
Arnab, I have personally interacted with Mr. Modi on several occasions. I have in fact requested him to go out of Gujarat much more actively. But he is such a disciplined person that unless the party makes a program, unless the party asks him to go somewhere, unless the party decides where and when he will campaign, talk, address the audience.
But he is not waiting for that.
Modi does not break
He is
party
not waiting for
discipline.
that. Did you
That
not?
is the
No.
discipline of the BJP.
No, 1 second. What are you saying? The Congress party he's not waiting for that. He does not. He's.
Waiting for what?
Because when party will say, I just want to tell one thing, Arnab. When this Mr. Gadkari takes an ethical position that his name is involved in that scam,
Anjan.
when unless and until his name is not cleared, he will not take the party president position.
Right.
But here is a candidate, Amit Shah, who has been, you see, been charged by the Supreme Court, who is facing very serious crime. Then why he has been made the General Secretary? That's the point. Double standards of BJP.
Well, I think
that has to be
I
explained
think
by
we
the
have
BJP.
heard
and
enough
Narendra
about
Modi
the
itself.
Congress Bureau of Investigation and the role of the Congress Bureau of Investigation
This is
to
an old
fix
story, my
political
dear.
opponents.
Don't give a new twist to that.
It is a standard process.
About
Mr. Modi
Amit Shah,
also spoke about it
who
in
had been declared
Kolkata.
by Supreme Court Tadi Par.
The question goes to the Congress party. How
I'm
will you
sorry,
handle the
sir,
Narendra Modi
Supreme
juggernaut?
Court-
How will you?
Supreme Court has not declared anything like
Abid
that.
Rasool Khan,
You
what?
need to educate yourself on the Supreme
Abid
Court
Rasool
verdict.
Khan, it would be very worrying for the Congress leadership to see the kind of electrifying effect that Narendra Modi's speech had when he was addressing BJP cadre. Now conceded that the man is addressing his own cadre, but he's having an effect on the BJP cadre. Did you also notice
Arnab,
that
first of
today, and
all,
how
he-
does it make you competitively weaker vis-a-vis the BJP?
No, absolutely. Let me reply to you. First of all, it's a story of a man who is desperate for power, without waiting for his party to give him the signal, is going ahead with his own agenda and own brand of popularism. With a baggage, he heads towards Calcutta when he is required in Karnataka by his party to work for his weekend party there, where the MPs are deserting it, where the chief ministers are deserting it. At this stage, he chooses Bengal and he tries to create a sort of atmosphere where he wants to show that he is a leader where the other parties are going to ally with him. And the baggage what he is carrying with him on all these tours is Gujarat model. With the Gujarat model is such a model where human rights have been violated, their police officers are in jail for encounters, their minister has been put in jail, a lady minister, for starting riots, where thousands have lost their lives, and where the CAG has indicted him for a number of misdoing in the land allotment cases, in the power allotment cases, where the Lok Ayukta has been weakened to such an extent that it is no more a Lok Ayukta. So this brand of
Mr. Abid Rasool Khan, Mr. Khan.
No, let me complete.
No, Mr. Khan, I will. No, Mr. Khan,
The public has seen through this Congress propaganda.
No, Mr.
Mr. Khan, Mr. Khan, 1 minute. Mr. Khan, here's a question. Take my question, Mr. Khan.
Well, I can answer each one of your
Take my
issues.
question. Don't give a
Mr.
prepared
Goyal,
speech.
you are unable. Your own party is saying that he has become a larger than life image for yourself. We have no problems. Let him become what he
No,
wants
says
to. We
who?
have no
You are
problems, but
assuming
it is
that.
Your party, your chief
You are assuming
It
that
is
my
your
party is
the chief
extremely
minister.
excited.
It is your own JDU Shivanand Tiwari who says that Modi agenda is not acceptable to us. Mr. Goyal, you are trying to
Incidentally-
show that you are propping up Modi, but the fact is
incidentally, the
Modi is beyond
JDU
your
has
control and
categorically
BJP is
said-
going to be left with no allies at all. In future, BJP will have no ally. It will be a single BJP with Modi, which will take a drubbing in the polls.
Well,
We have no problem. We are very happy with things.
I
as it is
suggest you
happening.
worry about your allies who are deserting you by the dozen.
We are
We will worry about
We are
ours.
very happy. We are very happy when you prop up Amit Shah. We are very happy when you prop up Gadkari. We are very happy when you go to, stop him from going to Karnataka, because he knows that he is going to get a drubbing in Karnataka. He is going to finish off in Karnataka. You know that. That is the reason you are not sending him to Karnataka.
Well, you are
know that
assuming.
what is your plan. We know what is happening.
Assuming we are
Mr.
not
Goel,
sending him
it's
to
not so simple as you
Karnataka.
put it. Your Modi speech yesterday at the ladies' faxi was a sort of speech for a cottage industry, not for a national faxi meeting. It is a speech where he was talking about cottage industries to the women who have achieved everything in life.
Well, at least
heads of national
he showed women
industries.
that they have a position of self-respect.
No, you are
And he
talking
showed
about
the women
people who
of
are heads
India
of the banks. You are
that we
talking
can
about
improve the
visas
lot
for
of the
people who are
women.
heading
Unlike
big
your
corporates who are
leader.
heading the
Unlike your leader
pharmaceutical
who
industry.
says, "I cannot do
And
anything
I am
for the
telling
people."
I am telling you today in this channel that you are going to tomorrow come back and say, no, it was not right. Your own party is going to disintegrate on this issue. Your own party is talking about his bigger than life image, what he is trying to prop up. We have no problems. You can do whatever you want.
Andhra Pradesh. He is acting like this
You are-
way.
you are
And very
most welcome to
interesting point
wishful
is
thinking.
this.
Gentlemen, one
There's a
minute.
very interesting point is this.
Atul
There is
Kumar
hand
Anjan.
in glove. This Narendra Modi, you must understand, Arnab, one thing. The Ahmed Patel belongs to Gujarat. He is the political advisor to the Congress president. I have not heard neither Ahmed Patel nor Narendra Modi criticizing the Congress politics or the BJP politics. There is a very harmonious relation
No, Ahmed
between
Patel
Congress
handles
political
the
advisor,
political
Congress
secretary
president,
post. He
political
doesn't talk
advisor.
about the
Ahmed
Don't talk
Patel
over
and
each other,
Narendra Modi.
gentlemen. 1 minute, Mr.
Sometime
Khan, let
I
him
find
talk.
We are there
Can I
today.
come in, gentlemen,
And
for a minute,
Narendra
please?
We are
Modi is acting
criticizing
like
it.
the Jagmohan
Gentlemen,
Reddy
1
of
minute.
the
Allow
Andhra
me to
Pradesh.
come in, please. Atul Kumar Anjan, Abid Rasool Khan, and Piyush Goyal. 1 minute, please. I have tremendous regard for all three of you. Mr. Anjan, Mr.
Anand,
Anjan,
please-
most of
please
all, I
have
have
Mr.
tremendous regard for
Atul
you.
Kumar
And
Anjan read the-
and the question is this. Ashok Malik, sorry to come to you late. I find it interesting that Narendra Modi again and again and again and again, Ashok Malik, wherever he goes, is principally talking about the leadership issue. Narendra Modi is not talking issues and politics. He is raising the leadership issue. Today he said, Ashok Malik, in Kolkata, I request the media in Bengal to interview 100 congressmen. Just ask them one question. Who is the leader of the country? Not 1 in 100 will name Dr. Manmohan Singh as the leader of the country. The party that does not consider its prime minister as the leader, how can the prime minister lead the country? What is the message he's sending out when he keeps talking about this issue in such detail? Ashok Malik.
Arnab, the fact that the UPA government has underperformed and not lived up to the very robust mandate it won in 2009 is no secret. It's clear from the economic indices and general sort of lack of governance.
Sure.
Now, the fact that this dual system of a party president who's also the UPA chief and the prime minister who's not the political leader has had its sort of problems and has not quite worked is clear from even Mr. Digvijay Singh talking about it. So if Digvijay Singh can talk about it, surely Narendra Modi can talk about it and use this to criticize his natural rival, the Congress, and posit a strong BJP leader, perhaps himself, as a natural sort of counterweight to this confused UPA system as he sees it. Now, coming back to Mamata, there's one thing I wanted to add. To me, Mamata Banerjee is for Modi an enemy's enemy. She is not necessarily a friend. I can't really see an alliance, a direct alliance pre-election or post-election. Modi was attacking the Congress today as his natural rival. He was also attacking the left as an ideological or philosophical rival in national politics. And that is what it really is.
No, Ashok Malik, the question is very simple. Narendra Modi is repeatedly raising the leadership issue. Now, when he raises the leadership issue, in your view, is he doing it with some planning or strategic intent in mind? Narendra Modi making 5 or 6 highly televised, very public speeches on a range of national issues, speaking on governance and government in one place, speaking on women and the country in another place, speaking about uprooting the Congress in another place, speaking about Mamata Banerjee, speaking about the national picture. He's positioning himself, Ashok Malik. Are you in any doubt anymore? that he's making it difficult for the BJP not to
at
name
all,
him as
of
the
course he is.
prime
Who's denying that?
ministerial
He's
candidate.
positioning himself as a strong, decisive leader and possibly a prime minister. What's wrong with that?
No,
That's clear as crystal.
No,
Who's
so he's
denying it?
positioned. So is Sushma Swaraj doing the same thing? Is Arun Jaitley doing the same thing?
Has Sushma Swaraj?
I'm asking you for your impression.
No, they're not. Because I think the BJP recognize. Look, he is the only chief minister who's in the BJP parliamentary board. I think somewhere the BJP recognizes he is their best card. A couple of people in the BJP may not recognize that, but broadly, the BJP is coming around to the view that he is their best card. They may be wrong, they may be right, but they are coming around to that view. That's clear as day.
So what would you say to the Congress leader today? Prepare yourself
I
for
don't
the
know what you're
inevitability.
talking about. That's clear as day.
No, what would you say to the Congress leader Abid Rasool Khan from Hyderabad today?
Arnab,
You know, and all those people who say that Narendra Modi will bring doom to the BJP. What would you say to them, Ashok Malik?
Look, Narendra Modi represents a gamble for the BJP. Okay, now, if Narendra Modi is your candidate, you are not going to get too many pre-election allies, right?
Yeah.
Fair enough. But the gamble is that perhaps he will get an incremental vote beyond what the BJP's current numbers are. And that is a fair, legitimate gamble for the BJP to take if it indeed it's moving towards taking that.
That's the point.
It is
Abid
a gamble
Rasool
it is taking,
Khan.
but
Live with the
fair enough,
fact. You may not
politics is
like
about
it.
risk-taking.
Accept the reality, Abid Rasool Khan. Accept the reality. The same Narendra Modi who was till recently fighting shy of making overtly political statements is back in his elements. I want to ask you today, what's your counter? Rahul Gandhi? Is Rahul Gandhi your counter?
No, Arnab, Rahul Gandhi is not the counter. The whole Congress party is a counter. The whole Congress party works in tandem. The whole Congress party works together. There is
No,
no
you
question
accept
of,
that Rahul Gandhi is not
anybody
the
being a
counter.
to and Modi
No,
and we are really not worried
Like,
about him. If the question Arnab, the question what he has put saying that ask 100 congressmen, I would like to counter that question and say ask 100 BJP men who is the self-thrust Prime Minister candidate on their party, and they will say that this is the gentleman who is trusting himself onto the party. We have no problem on that. Let him trust himself. We have enough leaders in our party
Piyush.
to talk about ourselves and win the elections.
Arnab,
The point here is
Arnab, very clearly,
that he is trying
it
to
is
trust
evident
himself
that
on a
there is a
party which is not
desperation.
going to accept him. The party itself is not accepting him. The party itself is shattering and breaking up. The party itself, allies are
Arnab,
breaking
may
up.
I?
At this stage, the gamble, what Mr. Malik said, is going to prove very costly to the BJP, and we have no problems with it. Let them go ahead with it. We are ready to face him at any stage,
You
at
see,
any
Mr. Abid
stage, at
Rasool Khan,
any
I'm
level.
asking you directly. No, Mr. Abid Rasool Khan. You ask,
Yeah.
1 second. You see, this is a cliche. Not one person, all of us will fight him. The fact is, look at what Narendra Modi is saying. Piyush Goyal, he says the Prime Minister's office begins tweeting against me even before I finish my speech. That's what he said today.
That is what he imagines. That is what he imagines. That is not what is happening. It is what his imagination is. And he has, after 9 years of successful rule of Manmohan Singh, he is trying to malign him. He is trying to show him as a weak candidate. But the Congress works in a tandem with
But
the
what you're
UPA
doing is
and
complaining.
the
I'm
Prime
asking you,
Minister.
what
There
is
is
your
no issue in
response
that.
beyond complaining? You are just complaining. And you are also accepted right now that Rahul Gandhi is not your counter. Piyush Goyal, your response.
No, I
Piyush
have
Goyal's
never said
response to
that.
it.
Arnab,
I have
the
never said
fact
that.
of
I
life
said the
is-
party itself works for it. I never said that.
You said that.
I have said the party works as a unit.
You said Rahul Gandhi is not our counter. You said
No,
Rahul
I
Gandhi
said
is
the
not our
party works
counter.
as a unit. I never said that. I said the party works as a unit.
Sir, I can
Then
pull
the whole
back the
party
tape. You
works
said
as a
that.
unit. He is our leader.
You're
And the
correcting
leader
yourself
leads the
now, but
party.
you did
Yeah,
say
we
that.
have seen the comments of
absolutely.
Digvijay
You
Singh,
can
Janardhan
rewind and check it out. I never said that. What I said, the party works as a unit,
Yeah,
Arnab. You are trying to
Arnab.
put words into my mouth.
I would never do that. Piyush Goyal.
Okay. Arnab, see, the fact of life is Ashokji seems to have misinterpreted this as a gamble. I personally don't think there is any gamble. The Bharatiya Janata Party is a cadre-based party. We have our cadres all across the country. We have leaders who emerge from the cadres, unlike a dynastic rule or a family.
You have
in
leaders
many
who
other
are having
parties
criminal
which just
cases
take.
against them in your new executive. You have Amit Shah. You have Uma
Well, I think I
Bharati,
allowed this
you have,
gentleman to
Gadkari.
speak,
They are
Arnab,
all
in all
tainted in
fairness.
cases, Mr. Goyal. What are you talking?
He may
They
be
are all
advised
tainted
to
in
start
cases.
listening sometimes.
Mr. Khan, listen to me.
Because in
You-
desperation,
when
some
you are
people
talking
don't
something
allow
which is
other people
absurd, I
to
need
talk.
to come back and tell you, where is the cadre? Your cadre.
Yeah, you are free to talk when your term comes,
Mr. Khan, Allow the BJP.
Don't get desperate.
Allow the BJP
I know
leader
you
to
are in
speak,
a
please.
corner, but
Piyush
don't
Goyal,
get
continue.
desperate.
in the RSS, he
No,
left.
no, absolutely.
Continue,
No,
Piyush
I'm
Goyal's turn.
actually
As the
happy
things
Hyderabad,
stand,
it is,
it is evident before the people of the nation.
You are in a corner. You are in a corner, absolute corner. You are unable to say anything about it.
Mr. Khan, let him respond, please.
Thank you, gentlemen. As things stand, all parameters, economic parameters, the mood of the nation, the international reflection of the India story, all of that seems to show that we today stand at a crossroad where unless we set things right quickly, the country is headed for a very, very serious and deep crisis. Narendra Modi recognizes that, most economists recognize that, and it's very clear, the narrative is very clear. The country is looking for a development story. The country is looking for a leader, a decisive leader who can change this despondency and sense of gloom and doom that is prevailing in the nation. I do not think the BJP is doing any gamble. I think it is very clear that our leadership, the BJP
leader you're talking
leadership,
about has been
presents
denied
an
visa to enter
alternative
US.
which is
The Goa,
proven.
the leader you're
The
talking
track
about
record
gets
is there.
congressmen to
They have
come
brought
and at a
welfare to the
payment and talk
people.
about
They have
him.
brought
So why not
development.
Advani?
And they
No, no, let
have
me
a
ask you,
roadmap and an
Piyush Goyal.
agenda
What are you talking about?
which will turn the India
No,
story
Piyush has
into
a
one
question.
of prosperity.
Piyush-
I think all the other
We have
parties
to
are
hang our
scared of
heads in
Mr.
shame.
Modi
You're talking
and
about
the
a leader who
BJP
is being
leadership.
denied a visa.
They are
I-
out to try and
I
divert
find it-
issues
I
from
find it
development
incredibly-
and raise
I-
the
I
ghosts
find
of
it-
2002
I find
which
it-
today don't exist at all.
I find
so
it
I think
fascinating.
let's get down to the
Absolutely,
development
absolutely
agenda.
wrong, Goyal,
Modi
sir.
has
Mr.
spoken
Mr.
today
Khan,
Your
please.
leader
and
you're
as he
trying
has
to
done in the
project
last
has
few days
UN cases.
of
I
development.
understand he has a warrant
Let's bring
also
that
in
to the
UN.
forefront and let everybody
And this
fight
is the
on
leader you are trying to
development agenda.
project, a leader who is involved in, who has at his hand been involved in a massive riots, and till now he doesn't admit that, and you are talking
That's-
of him to lead a
Mr.
country.
Khan, may I
a
please
country
come in?
of, so many
Mr. Khan,
religions,
with
a
great,
country of so much unity, a
Mr.
country
Khan,
of so
with
much
your
diversity.
permission, may I please come in, Mr. Khan? Thank you.
Sure.
Hartosh, I find it fascinating, Hartosh and Ashok Malik,
Yeah.
that with every passing day, I get a sense that the BJP is moved one step closer towards naming Narendra Modi as their man for 2014. I mean, I find Piyush Goyal talking today, the way Piyush Goyal is expressing himself very clear, he's talking about Narendra Modi and not LK Advani, unless he wants to clarify right now.
And the BJP
Hartosh.
leadership, Arnab, you probably
Arnab.
missed that.
Yes, Hartosh.
Arnab, from now on till the elections, we will be focusing on one man, Narendra Modi. Not only is he the BJP's best hope, he is also the Congress's best hope. The entire Congress strategy is designed on an anti-Modi vote. They have nothing else to show for themselves. Both parties actually want to focus on the personality of Modi, and this is the campaign we are going to see and we will have to follow. It is a one-man campaign.
Ashok Malik, when will they announce Narendra Modi's name then?
You know, I unfortunately, I don't control the BJP and I'm not party president, so I don't know the timetable. But whether he is declared candidate or otherwise, I think it's fairly obvious Narendra Modi will be the face of the BJP's campaign and not somebody else. Mr. Khan said that he's trying to thrust himself upon the party. Mr. Khan may know better. From my understanding of the party, I think if there is a primary or an election in the party, Modi will win hands down. Whether that is a correct decision, incorrect decision is a separate issue, but he is the most popular leader within the party. Now, when it comes to Modi's appeal, I think because of the situation the country finds itself in, especially economically in terms of the UPA's failures, and the UPA has failed in the past 3 or 4 years dramatically. The curiosity about Modi and Modi's appeal, I would say, actually outpaces the BJP's appeal. I would argue that today, Modi is more popular than the BJP. And in a sense, Hartosh is right. This is going to be, as I see it, a Modi election. You're either with Modi or against Modi, and the Congress obviously will pitch for the anti-Modi vote. But Modi is becoming not just the hero or the protagonist of this election, but I would say the election will be built around him.
Well,
He
that's
may even, in
fascinating.
a sense, become the issue of the election.
Yes, go ahead, Piyush Goyal.
if
You
I
want to
may.
clarify? that the leader you were speaking about was either Sushma
you are-
Swaraj or Lal Krishna Advani or somebody else? The decisive leader, in your words, who would do the development story, project the development story. What are you talking about? Advani ji, by the way.
Arnab, as things stand, here we are discussing Narendra Modi's address in Kolkata, and the way the narrative is today before the people, I think they are looking for answers to their problems. They are fed up of this government at the center and its misgovernance and lack of governance. They are looking for concrete steps and measures to turn around the India story. I think they are not looking for somebody who says, look, I cannot provide any answers. I have no story to give you. I have no solutions to the problem. You are doomed to your fate, and I will only leave you with 1 billion people to decide your own fate. It's like I was joking the other day. We can't have an IPL match where 50,000 spectators will decide how the administration of the match will be done, who will clean the pitch, who will run the security mechanism there. You can't have 50,000 spectators do that. They ultimately decide on a leader and a team of people around him who run the whole show. Similarly,
You
the
made your
BJP
choice,
has
Piyush
to
Goyal.
offer a very
You
strong
made your
round
choice,
of
Piyush Goyal.
a strong team of leaders.
You have, without
which is going to
attempting to
sort
read
out
your
these
mind,
problems.
Piyush Goyal, without attempting to read your mind, I can safely conclude that you are speaking about Narendra Modi. And I find it fascinating now
I'm
that the entire
speaking the
BJP
language
leadership is
that I
more and
hear
more
the
coming
whole
around to the
nation
view
speaking.
that Narendra Modi is the person for 2014.
Arnab,
Maybe we should ask Rajnath Singh.
Arnab, you tell me how many other leaders other than Mr. Modi from any party across the country you showed repeatedly round the clock 24 hours repeat telecast because he's the only current coin in the country.
Well, as of now, he's
the
making
only
a lot
man
of
who has
speeches.
given some hope to the aspirations of the people. So therefore you are also showing him. Now ultimately the people will decide.
Well, you don't decide, Mr. Piyush Goyal.
Telecast
There's
will
a
not
very-
make a leader, Mr. Goyal. You are so bankrupt. You have no policy. You are going to depend on telecast to make your leader. My God, what levels you have gone
Okay,
to.
you
just
sit
because
in your
of telecast
bedroom
to
and make
decide
a leader. We will go to the people and make a leader.
You have to have
We will let the
policies, you
people
have to have a
decide who the
background,
leader
you
is.
have to have
Ladies and
thinking,
gentlemen,
what
you can
thinking
do it
he
at
has,
your
Ashok
home.
Malik Hartosh, Ashok Malik Hartosh, Abid Rasool Khan and Piyush Goyal, I hate to break up this banter, but I did not get an answer whether he was referring to Narendra Modi, Sushma Swaraj or Lal Krishna Advani, Arun Jaitley or anyone else, but I get a sense Piyush Goyal was talking about Narendra Modi. Gentlemen, thank you very much.